Hello Bhavna, welcome to Shri Tarot. Please share our share tag, subscribe the channel for the free readings. Oh Kare, welcome. Yes, one question free. You can ask a specific question. You need to have a share tag, subscribe the YouTube channel for the free readings. For the private readings, slots you can book for 30 and 40 minutes depth reading. Bhavna, have a share tag. We'll start once all join. Kamal Chaudhary, ask specific question. Woohoo Kare, please subscribe the YouTube channel for the free readings. I need to get the notification. Palm Sabnani, please have a share tag. Guys, welcome everybody to Shri Tarot. Please like the live session, subscribe the YouTube channel for the free readings. Shivani, hello. Yes, Shivani, you can ask. Sayanti, please have a share tag, subscribe the YouTube channel and post it in English. Guys, for private readings, you can book your slots. For 30 and 40 minutes depth reading session, I need a photo and date of birth for that. You can ask unlimited questions there. Shivani, so let's do Shivani first. So 2022 government job. Okay, you are looking for government job. Okay, you are waiting for it. Shivani Daya. Someone rising in show me the cards for Shivani the year for 22. Shivani, I see chances by next year 22, whatever you're having thought right now, yes, but 22, I think 3 months it will delay, but within a year definitely you'll get a job. First 3 months it might be okay. Sayanti Digvijay Singh, current feelings for me. Sun, moon, rising, Venus, show me the cards I need to see for Sayanti Digvijay. Guys, please subscribe the YouTube channel. I didn't get the notification. Digvijay, current feelings for me. Okay. Shivani, if you're interested for private reading, give me your photo and date of birth. You can ask unlimited questions there about relationship, any things, any problems in your life. But you go check into my bio, or there is a description box. You can check there. You can contact me directly or message me directly for the private session. Vijay, current feelings from Sayanti. Sayanti Katwa, this is for you. Vijay, current feelings from. For long term, something they are planning with you. I see very much they're in a deep connection. I think they're thinking about you to have a long 2-3. Please subscribe the YouTube channel. Sangeeta, subscribe the YouTube channel. Please like the live session, guys. Need your support. Please share the live session. Sangeeta Chaudhary, this is for you. Sangeeta, I already gave you answer, I think, about this. When will I meet my true love? Sangeeta, this is for you, Sangeeta. Definitely a settled person will enter your life. I see very much good at his finance. Maybe he's a rich person, something like that. But definitely I see very good soulmate or a twin flame connection for you in future. Maybe he will be traveling, I see too much. Okay, thank you, Sangeeta. But within next 2 years, okay, within next 2 years. Garima Chaudhary, future reading, I need your photo and date of birth. It will be done in a private session. I just need the photo and date of birth. So future will be in depth. I can't do in depth here. I can only take one specific question. So post your one specific question right now, whatever you have. Garima, future reading I don't do. Okay. Kavita Wagmare, when Samir marry me. Okay. Kavita, please subscribe the YouTube channel if you get the answers. When Samir marry me. Someone rising Venus, show me the cards I need to see. For Kavita Wagmare, when will Samir marry me? Samir, I think is taking time. I think he's taking time for something about finance, or maybe he need to travel somewhere, or he should decide something. He should fix some things in his life. I think he'll take time. Within 2 years, I see a marriage for you. Okay, but within 5 months, something related to conflicts I see. It may arise between you both. So be careful. Thank you, Kavita. So, Savita Kamath, Please read my son Abhimanyu about his going to abroad for studies. Kavita, I need his. Okay, you have mentioned the name Abhimanyu. Okay. This is for Kavita Kamath. Savita Kamath, please read my son Abhimanyu. Okay. Someone rising Meenash in the cards I need to see for Abhimanyu going abroad for studies. Savita Kamath. Maybe next year not possible, dear. The coming year 22 will be not possible for him to go abroad. Okay. Aisha Asad, the future reading will be in private. I need your date of birth for that. So check the bio, check the description box. You can get to know about me more. You can book your slots for a private reading if you are interested. Guys, please subscribe and like the live session. Palm Sabnani, post your question, dear. People who did not get chance, please keep on posting. We'll start with Aries for the monthly readings. So rest of the weeks for Aries, I'll start giving a reading for a month. Already posted a weekly reading already. So second half a month I'll be posting. So it will be in a YouTube channel. So Aries, let's start with Aries. Okay, this is for Aries for November month. Many things Aries in coming days, or maybe some people have undergone this from too long time. I see maybe balancing will be very hard for you in coming days. The things in your life, maybe in job, career or family, any aspects in your life, I see a trouble for you, or maybe unable to balance. Maybe you can't see anything new, or the door which is front of your eyes, but also you can't see them clearly. So maybe it might be in love also. You people are already lost, so find yourself out of it. So in this month, the November month will be little bit the same. it might be like hangover or something like that. Maybe you won't get any good news or good positive changes you don't see in your life because you're blindfolded. So be careful before you step into new things. So this is for Aries. Next we'll go for Taurus. Otherwise we'll finish the fire signs. Leo, I'll do the fire sign first, then Earth. So let's do with Leo. Rising Venus, the cards I need to see for Leo. This is for Leo. The cards I need to see for Leo. Sun, Moon, Rising. Check your Sun, Moon, Rising sign. Leo, maybe something new coming to your life. Some good offers are coming to you, but it is a slow process right now. You don't see it. Within 6 months, there is a positive changes for you in finance or some business also. In love, I see some people may meet new people, or you may get offer or a proposal. In coming 6 months, people 4 to 6 months, there is offer for you coming in your way. It might be about finance, money, related to relationship, love, or it may improve to the next level. So Sagittarius next. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Show me the cards for Sagittarius. This is for Sagittarius. Sagittarius, some people went through health issues, heartbreak, maybe disconnection with loved ones. There are so many people in between your relationship. I see third party issues here. Might be from long time it is bothering you people. So some people are deciding to disconnect completely. Some people are deciding to start over new again, to create a foundation first. It might be in a career also for some people. Sagittarius, I see many people behind you are very busy, not even caring or bothering about you, but yourself, you're taking action to move forward about relationship or something. It might be for some people in career, it might be for some people in family life, including it might be like mother-in-law issues. It might be like friends, third parties, husband, friends, something like that involved in relationship. So creating over new will give you some good changes. So start, create yourself from the foundation. Be grounded, be assertive. So this is for you, Sagittarius. Next we'll go for Virgo, earth signs, Taurus, then Virgo. First we'll do Taurus. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Show me the cards I need to see for Taurus. Guys, you can book for the private session for a private reading. It might be one-on-one reading. It will be a video call or audio call, anything as you wish, but you can book your slots for that. In depth will explain you everything in the reading in a private session. You can ask unlimited questions. I do even time frames. I give remedies also. Someone rising, show me the cards for Taurus. Taurus, something I see about money for you, maybe holding it and planning for the long term. For Taurus, I see maybe very much stable in finance and creating a balance in love relationship or family life. I see for you people, it might be soul connection or it might be twin flame, where I see a true love here. Very good understanding, compatibility in coming days for you. Very good in love relationship in coming month. So about money, whatever I see is maybe buying some new house, settling fast. You people are planning that right now about buying something for the long term, or involving yourself for increasing your finance stability, more determined, something like that I see. So definitely this will give you a good positive change. So this is for Taurus. So next we'll do for Virgo. So we'll see what's going on with Virgo for November, rest of the weeks. Virgo, this is for you. Guys, information cards I need to see for Virgo. Virgo, I see traveling, I see communication, new friends, new surroundings, new things, new changes coming to your life. This week maybe will be very good at your finance. Maybe there is something you're worried about, you need to come out of it. Maybe you're thinking too much unnecessarily. I see some Virgos pregnancy. I see a pregnancy card. I see a motherly card. Maybe some Virgos are already a mother, some Virgos are going to be. So everything is going in a good way here. I see maybe in relationship, I see maybe some people are traveling, maybe new communication, new friends, new surroundings, new involvements, exploring more I see here for you, Virgo. This is will be in a slow, but definitely this will be for a long term for you. So next we'll go for Capricorn. Any Capricorns here? The cards I need to see for Capricorn. Capricorn, rest of the November month for Capricorn. Thank you for the likes and the hearts. Capricorn, whatever you have, please create from it. Don't lose it. Create from it for the next level, maybe in your finance career, or it might be even in money matters. Whatever you're having right now, don't lose it. Okay, you will see the loss if you invest or if you use that money, whatever you have right now, it might be in relationship, it might be in family life issues, anything, but whatever you have, on that you'll have to create a foundation for the next level. Use it, utilize that whatever you have right now. Definitely from it I see good wheel of fortune card. It might be for the long term, for the life. Okay, this is a very nice cards for Capricorn. What I got, you'll have whatever you have, please don't lose for anything, for the material things in a present situation. Invest it for the long term. This is for Capricorn, what I got. So next we'll go for air sign. Any Gemini? Gemini, this is for Gemini. Sun, rising, Venus, show the cards for Gemini. Gemini, some people are not seeing, there is a two ways of seeing the situation. I see some people are just seeing it in their own mindset. You have to think, evaluate things in other perspective also, in other perspective also. Sometimes it might give you some good answers. I see soon you will see that whatever you're unable to see right now, or maybe from one side you're thinking, you have to think from the two ways where you will get to know the answer. Maybe some situation happened because for the new changes, maybe whatever it is happened, it is for good only, but till now what I see is you're still in same mode. You'll have to come out of it. I think some people lost the trust in their self, but the sun card popped out, showing the new beginning, new life. Again sun arises, so wait for the night to go down and come, let the sun come up. So I see within 7 weeks, whatever it might be, you may be worried about money problem, mainly I see for Gemini. I see everything will be solved in coming 7 weeks or 7 months for you. There is a good situations coming for you about money matters mainly. Okay, some people are blindfolded yourself. Please come out of it. So if you are, I see mainly people, Gemini people are thinking about money mainly. Maybe you lost something, or maybe you're waiting somebody to give you money back or something like that. I see involved yourself with too much of money, lost hope. So within 7 months I see changes. Okay, Libra, this is for Libra. Show me the cards for Libra. This is for Libra. The cards for Libra, the rest of the weeks. Libra, I see maybe you may get two options in everything in coming week for you, about career, about money, about family. In relationship, I see maybe two options. People are healing. So show me the cards I need to see. Is two of pentacles. Something very slow moving in relationship I see for you. Go slow, maybe you may lose hope again, so go slow. This okay, let us see for next Aquarius. Next weekly readings for Aquarius, the next weeks for November, rest of the week for November for Aquarius. So Aquarius, I see some people are running away from the situations, fully not revealed, but you're very much anxious about running away fast. It might be trust issues, dishonesty in relationship, or it might be in job also, job related problems, third parties. Check the facts correctly. So too much of responsibility will come into you in coming weeks. Nine of Wands is very possessive. I see very possessive personality here. I see people are physically exhausted here. I see about finance, something you're worried about. Maybe I see some celebrations coming for you in this month. You may involve in money matters, or you may involve in parties, celebrations. So this is for Aquarius. So let's move for the last water signs. Okay, let's start with Cancer. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Show me the cards for Cancer, the rest of the weeks. King of Wands. Show me the cards for Cancer for the rest of the weeks. I see a lot of king court cards here. The cups and the wands might be very attractive person. It might be male or female. Very good charmer. I see well known in his profession, or is a famous in his own feat. So what's coming for them in rest of the week of November? So they're planning for long term year, most probably for many zodiac signs. Every thing, what the main thing what I got was about finance, some growth, some relationship improvement. So here also I see for the long term they're worried about the finance, about the growth, about their status, their profession. For many people it might be attitude problem in coming weeks. Maybe too much settled, give too much of confidence, overconfidence. So because of that I see you may get hurt or you may get lost, lose some small things in your life in coming weeks. So whatever you have, be happy from that. Don't overthink or don't be over smart or don't overreact to the things here. I see balancing to be done mainly here. For many people it might be family situations where they're lonely, or some people walked away from the situations about from the home or from the career, from the job. Some people are disconnected with their loved ones. I see Eight of Cups with Sadness card, where with lot of conflict arised in past. It might be sadness, it might be too much of sorrow here I see for Capricorn, Cancer. Walking out of situations I see. Time is fluid, it changes things. Hope for the best. Next is Scorpio. This is for you. Some more show the cards I need to see for Scorpio for rest of the weeks. Scorpio, Scorpio, I see you will involve with your friends in coming weeks. It might be some news, it might be some new business, new ventures, meetings, something I see. And the relationship mainly I see improvement. I see spending some time with your partners. I see something going slow here about the new ventures. You need some guidance from the elderly person from your family. It might be some empire level of thinker. It might be some man. So before going to new things, having a new routine in your life, before that you need to get some guidance from the person you already have in your family. I see some elderly person can give you advice on this. So there is a precaution protocol that to go slow going slow for the new ventures, for the new beginnings. Anything if you're planning for new, or definitely you should take a slow steps into that. So this is for Scorpio. Next is Pisces. So let's go for the last sign for the weekly reading for Pisces. This is for you, Pisces, for rest of the week of November. Pisces, I see some addiction. I see some chaotic relationship or toxic relationship here. Maybe too much of disconnection, too much of breakthrough you have come to. So slowly you're improving your balance in your life. Don't rush things. Finance also will come to you. Increase your finance. I see increasing your finance in coming weeks. It might be from next year. It might be little balance life in finance, maybe in money. But in relationship, I don't see so much of happiness for you. Whatever happened, you have to leave it. Don't think or recreate the same old situations in your mind. Imagine or assumptions mainly. I see everything which is ended. I see some relationship where you had a lot of problems or you got disconnected. I don't see it coming back. I see you should come out of it very strongly. You need to create your life right now in a new way. You're the one who can create it in a good way, where I be you have to leave it, end that. So I don't see worth for that. So you have to come out of the Nine of Swords, which is telling bad dreams, anxiety, stress, overthinking. You need healing from this. You're addicted to something, you need to end up that. Come out of your addictions. Take a step to come out of it. Take some help from your family people or somebody who can help you to come out of it. Maybe you're right now you're thinking how to have a finance. Definitely just come out of the addiction first, then you have to think about this. So I see a good changes within 9 months once you take a step to get remove your toxic things from your life. Okay, Pisces, so this was the next weekly readings for November, rest of the days for November. So this will be uploaded in YouTube. So people who missed your zodiac signs, you can go check the video there in YouTube. The channel name is in description box. Need your support to subscribe, like the live session, watch your signs in the video where I'll be uploaded. There will be a copy here also in the page. So thank you all.